started. Wedding season has started. It is just so weird that these are people that I've been close with. When people have gotten married in the past, it's usually like people older than me. And now these are my mates getting married. Like, it's insane. So I got the wedding invitation at the end of March, and it's currently April, and the wedding is at the end of the month. It's in Dehradun. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Pardon me if I'm not. But yeah, this is the first, not just Christian wedding, but also the first wedding of someone that's, you know, closer in age with me. So the wedding we were going for is my college mate. I wasn't sure if I'd be able to make it, but I checked in with some of my friends and I figured out that they're going as well. So I'm like, let's all go together, then let's go celebrate with him. A lot of my batch mates are going to attend. By the way, we graduated in 2021, so I haven't seen these people for like 5 years, some longer, because I didn't see most of them when COVID started in 2019. So for some of them, it's longer than 4 or 5 years. If you know me, then you know that I do not own any sarees. I've gotten to the point in my life where there are going to be a lot of weddings coming soon. I'm like, it's time to start stocking up on sarees. Like, I want to be able to get through this wedding season and come out the other side with like a dozen sarees. I'm just joking. I know my mom watching this being like, oh, maybe not that many. But yeah, I just do want to have sarees. I've never owned one before. And so I went to get a saree and did not bring you guys along. I'm gonna attach a picture, but this was me saree shopping with a friend from work. There was a lot of back and forth. I think it took us like 30 minutes to an hour to find a store that had not just nice designs, but something that I liked. I have 2 weeks before I have to start packing. It would have made sense for me to go there directly, like take a train from Jaipur, where I'm at, to Dehradun, but some of my friends are in Delhi and I decided it would be much better to meet up with them in Delhi first and then travel together, because it would be more fun, I feel. And so that's what we're doing. Oh my goodness. And I'm just calling to mind all of my friends that are single, that are probably going to get married this year or next year. Feels like the start of something new. Yeah, Jane, High School Musical, let's go that route. And I'm so excited and I'm so happy for him. Oh my gosh, I sent a picture of him and his fiance now. They look stunning together. But yeah, we are going to Dehradun. We are going for a wedding. I'm super excited.
I am currently on my way to work, but yesterday I went to get my blouse to this place where it's supposed to be like the hub with tailors. They were like, we don't stitch here. I'm like, what exactly do you do? Apparently they just make adjustments. So I'm just carrying my blouse with me everywhere just in case I find a place at the last minute. Also, we finalized our booking yesterday for the trains. The only thing was that we got on a waiting list. We're just hoping it gets confirmed before the day of the journey.
Good morning. It's literally just barely a week till I have to travel, and I gave my saree blouse for stitching yesterday, and it would be done by Wednesday, in 2 days. But still, tickets not confirmed. Just 1 second. Hello? ठीक है, आ रही हूँ भैया, 2 minutes. ठीक है. So we've come up. We were around 30 on the waiting list, but now we're below 20. We have 1 week, so I'm hoping it gets confirmed. I'm just praying it gets confirmed. If not, we'd have to book like a last minute Tadkal ticket.
I'm heading to work. I just checked my train ticket status and we are doing good. We are under 10. It's Thursday. It's exactly a week until our trip from Delhi to Dehradun. I was supposed to go pick up my saree yesterday. They called me to tell me that it was delayed and asked me to come tomorrow.
Just got on that train. I almost missed it. turning into a writing diaries vlog for some reason. Just ended up here and I don't want to leave. It is 9:40 and I was planning to leave here at 12:30 and then get to my friend's place, which is like 20-ish, 30 minutes from here. Pick her up and then head to the train station together. I'm gonna leave super early. Train is at 3:20, so I feel like we have, without traffic, we should get there at 2. Just left the apartment. I am heading to pick up my friend right now. I had our shower, but hopefully we get there around 2:30-ish. Hey, just picked up. Oh, we're also matching him up. We're wearing brown. We got the same glasses. We got the same collar. I also got a cap. But this is my travel outfit. I literally travel with this outfit every single time. Because it's summer. Just picked up Hima. We're gonna spend 1 hour to get to the train station. Yeah, and we're meeting up Aksa and Anand. Bye. It is 8:57. We should be there in like 10-20 minutes. Hima, we are. Oh, careful, Hima! Wait, wait, wait. Got our henna done. I went to say hi to the groom's family and had dinner there, which is just 5 minutes from here. 5 minutes walking distance? Yes. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Just like right behind the hotel. 1 second. 1 second. Bye. Signing off. Bye. Signing off for tonight because we are exhausted. I have my sleepy face on. We just woke up at 10 and we were called for breakfast. We woke up starving. Anyway, it's already a beautiful day. This is your sun? It's not sunny. Leaving the hotel we booked last night and we're going to a new one. Something in my eye. I think I ruined my makeup, but we're okay, it's fine. It's 4:30. We're supposed to get to the venue. We're heading to the church in 5-10 minutes. church. It is so beautiful here, beyond words.
Marriage is not a social contract. जो विवाह है वह केवल एक साम
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
We just finished having dinner. Now we're exhausted. Our feet are killing us.
There is this intimacy level with the father that he is.
We just got back to our hotel. It is 12 o'clock. We haven't had breakfast. Anyway, we're gonna go out with them, have fun, go shopping, and spend the day together. This is breakfast at 1 o'clock. We're ordering drinks. Want to get something? Axel left 30 minutes ago, and Ima and I are heading to Paltan Market. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Leaving me alone. Literally just got back. I am super exhausted, but thank God for a safe trip.